Let's remove and replace a Delta shower cartridge. Firstly, ensure the water supply is turned off. Open other outlets to allow air into the system so it drains as much as possible. Find the correct size Allen wrench. We would suggest a ball end for greater flexibility and movement with these angles. If you find someone has rounded the head of the screw, try using a Torx wrench to get a better bit. You should replace with a new screw if this occurs. If the screw is seized, then try letting in soak in some spray on anti-seize. Remove the retaining screws and the trim. Please give us a like and subscribe so we know to keep putting out more how-to content. Now we are at the meat and potatoes of this. Unscrew the large retaining ring. It should be removable by hand, if not very carefully remove with a large Chanel lock, an oil filter wrench, or your leather belt. Let's remove the cartridge itself. We sped this up 4x because this one gave us a serious fight with a lot of suction pressure. Always be firm but gentle so as not to damage anything. Very careful here, we don't want to damage these soft brass threads. If we do, then we may have to replace the whole shower rough-in. The Delta has notches on the rough-in to help align your cartridge correctly. Lubrication is very important here. Lubricate with a silicone or oil-based grease. This will allow the rubber O-rings to slide into place without splitting or ripping. It will also help with the pull-out game when you have to take it back out down the road. It's surprising how drying water can be. Firmly and gently slide the cartridge into the rough-in. The cartridge shows you which is the hot side. Assuming your shower is pipe typical, then that will be on the left. Replace the large retaining ring. Screw on hand tight, firm but not over tight. Now time to replace the trim kit. Snug up the screws. Replace the handle, snug up the Allen bolt, and turn the water back on. If you found value in our video, please like and subscribe. Check out our description for tools used in this how-to video.